Dear connections, today we will discuss about one important Power BI trick that will help you in your daily to daily project work. So, so let me jump into my Excel at first, then I will show you my Power BI. At first, let me show you the client requirement which I have faced in my recent project. So this is the actual dummy data. I already imported it into my Power BI desktop, and I need to create a matrix like this. As you all know that I am working in a migration project where I am migrating from SAP to Power BI. Like the SAP dashboard will look like this. The SAP dashboard will look like this. So here what is the catch? We can easily make, but the catch is in this heading. Like the first heading will be date, the second heading will be total quantity. Total quantity, this is just a, what I can say, this is constant in all the four columns. Okay, we can say this is like double header. We need to implement double header in a matrix. So how can we implement this? You might thinking that we can create two disconnected table and we can fetch that two disconnected table in the columns to implement it. It's a good idea, but sometimes the disconnected table may not work properly. In my case, I got error. I got the relationship error, like there is no relationship between the main table and the disconnected table. I don't know, like the error should not come. So that's why I invented this process, this different process. Okay, I am show you that different process. So what we need to take? At first we need to take product code. At first we need to take product code in the rows. Now in the column we need to take date. It should be only date. Let me select date. And in the values, the quantity, we need to give the quantity. But one thing is still left, the hierarchy, the double heading. So for creating the double heading, we can use calculated column. We have to use one calculated column using concatenate. Let me show you. I already created the calculated column. See here I created one label column where concatenate, then this date column which is coming from the Power BI dataset. In from the date column we need only the date. We don't need all the things, year, month, whatever. We need only the date. Then you can give comma. Then total quantity. Before writing this, total quantity is a static value, static text. So before giving total quantity, you should give some gap. Otherwise, it will not show properly. Like the total quantity may show something in different way, but we need to make as it is like this structure. So let us take this label column. So if you take the label column, in the columns delete the date, because two dates will come, so we don't need this normal date column. So like this way you can create. But one more thing, when you first time import this label column, when you first time import this label column, wait a bit, let me show you. Like when you fetch the label column at first, like after creating the matrix, when you guys will first time create it, like when you first time create the label column, calculated column, and fetch it in the column, you will see it will come like this. because like this way we created the formula, right? Like total for like the date after a gap, you will get total quantity. The date after a gap, there is total quantity. So in that scenario, what you need to do, you need to just go to this divider and just minimize it correctly. Ah, just minimize it correctly. Just minimize it properly. Same goes for the third column also. For the last column also, do the same thing. Ah, so see, both the structure is same. Now we need to give the color. For giving the color, you need to go to column headers. Then background color will be yellow. Background color, sorry, background color will be yellow, and the text color will be black, I think. Yes. So like this way, you can like this using this trick, you can implement the requirement of this client. Even even if three tier heading also comes, you can implement using concatenate only. Let's say the client give another one static value, so you can create those and fetch those. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you very much.